store leftover pasta properly, first place your cooked pasta into an airtight container. Make sure the container you use has a lid to keep air from getting in. Add some butter or olive oil to the pasta to keep it from clumping and sticking. The pasta only needs to be lightly coated, so 1 to 2 teaspoons should do it for an average serving size. Next, refrigerate the pasta. Cooked, unsauced pasta will usually stay fresh in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. If you're storing your pasta sauce in a separate container, that can stay refrigerated for 6 to 7 days. Make sure to refrigerate leftover pasta within 2 hours of preparing it to keep it fresh. To store pasta that is already sauced, let the hot pasta cool to just above room temperature. Then transfer the leftovers to an airtight container. Refrigerate the pasta and eat it within 2 to 3 days.